Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Think It Thursday. So in today's episode we are going to discuss about the grass is always greener on the other side, or is it? Or we just see it like that. So have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought of that how perfect their life is, their career, their job, their kids, their house, their relation, everything looks so perfect, how they all figured it out. So and then you look at your life and you feel little less, so we are missing out on some part, so we feel that particular tension, right? So the main thing is we always look it from far away and everything seems so perfect and glossy like that. For example, someone else's life, we feel like their success is so effortless, their relationships are beautiful, their life looks like a dream. But we often forget that we are actually comparing our behind the scenes with their highlighted reels, right? So that perfect picture that we see, the perfect looking lawn that we see for the greener thing, that may be the artificial turf, right? We never know. So we are not saying that all the lawn that we see on the other side is artificial only, but what I'm trying to say is it's not always greener, right? So you need to believe in yourself, because the grass can be greener at our end also if we water it properly, if we nurture the relation, if we work hard, and if we understand where we are lagging, then definitely it will be greener at our end also. That happy couple photo that you see might be just after they fought, or that dream job that you are looking at, but you don't see that endless or sleepless nights. So everyone is going through their own struggles and they have their own battles to deal with, but they don't show it as often, right? Because they feel like nobody is going to appreciate anyone's struggle, right? And to be very honest, we go through our social media only to get refreshment, to rejuvenate. We don't need to hear other people's, or we don't like to hear other people's struggle, day-to-day struggle, unless that person is successful at the end. So today I can hear the struggles of let's say Sundar Pichai, or I can endlessly hear struggles of Mark Zuckerberg, or in that sense I can hear the Virat Kohli for that matter, right? Because today that person is successful, so today we can relate to that struggle and we can get the hope, right? We are not interested in listening to someone's struggle where the outcome we don't know. Right now if I start talking about my struggles and my own downfalls and all that, you all are not interested in listening, yet I have not achieved anything big. So what you can say, what you understand is, until and unless success is there, the struggles are not going to be there, right? So that's the truth of life, right? That's why you will see the content creators, they'll not come and keep on cribbing. Even if the background story, they are not happy, something has happened, they'll always put their best foot forward, smiling and keep making the content. The reason behind this thing is that only, and I feel the same, that दुनिया के सामने क्यों रोना है? You are not going to solve my problems, right? Then what's the point of putting that thing out, right? So what I suggest is, put your love, time and energy, and your grass can be greener as well. And others from outside, that they might be seeing your life and saying that, okay, his or her grass is greener. So make sure you always remind yourself what day or what life you are living. Once you already had manifested, or you had a dream of it, or somebody is dreaming to live your life, right? So never underestimate what power, energy and what kind of life you hold, right? So keep complaining less complaints will be better. And what I suggest is, whatever grass you do have, you can make it greener, right? By watering it with pure heart and good energy. So I'll talk about one story, that is my story only. When we were in India and we were planning for Canada, so at that time we saw Canada as a greener side, right? And I'm not saying that something is wrong in that. Of course, that was nice, but from India we saw Canada as greener place, and then we took a decision, and then we went to Canada, and then we lived that life, what we wanted to, what we dreamt of, and then from Canada we saw India as greener. Many aspects are there, so I have already discussed the same thing in my video. So it is nothing about one thing. I mean, India is also not greener and Canada is also not greener. They both are green at their own places. This is what we felt. So I see many mothers who see people from outside, and they say that oh, that's good that you are working, you are doing your work, and you are managing the house also, and this and that. And when we as working people, we see mothers who are stay-at-home moms, and we envy them that you get to see your son or your daughter when they come from school. You are available for them when they need it, right? So this is what is grass is green on the other side. Same goes for the people who are working in job, right? So working class people or service class people who are working for others, they must be thinking क्या life है ना entrepreneur की, खुद के time से जाओ, खुद के लिए काम करो. If you put in more efforts, then you are going to earn, not other company. So that is their way, and entrepreneurs are envying service class maybe because in the initial state your growth is not exponential. What you see, it's not going to be Zomato or Airbnb or Oyo in the first go, right? So it will take some time. और वो जो struggle वाला period है ना, it is very much demanding if you are ready for it. No harm in trying, or if you are really willing to look at that particular grass, so there is no harm in that, because किसी के बोलने से फिर ना वो regret रह जाता है that अरे यार मैं भी तो entrepreneurship try कर लेती, या तो मैं भी तो ये कर लेती, right? So वो regret भी नहीं रखना है. It's not, I'm not discouraging you to go and check out the other grass. Don't take me wrong, but to check out the other grass, you are not supposed to uproot the grass which is there at your end, right? So यही चीज है, try करो. अगर वो grass आपको that particular journey also, or that particular experiences you want to take, then there is no harm in that. Right, I'm not at all discouraging कि तुम जहाँ हो वहीं पर रहो. If you are in a working class, don't go for any entrepreneurship, or you are in entrepreneurship but you are totally failure, then also you have to keep on working. नहीं तो फिर जॉब मिलता है तो ले लो अगर आपका नहीं चल रहा है अच्छे से, या फिर if you feel that there is more struggle in that, right? So one thing is, stop comparing and start caring. Right, caring about yourself, your own goal, your own life. Right now, what all challenges are there, you are supposed to think about it. So यहाँ से बैठे बैठे आपको दूसरी दुनिया या दूसरे लोगों की, और स्पेशली सोशल मीडिया पे इट इज़ वेरी मच फ्लैशी, राइट? अगर आप यहाँ से बैठे बैठे किसी की लाइफ देख रहे हो तो वो बहुत ही ग्लॉसी लगती है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, हर एक की लाइफ इतनी ग्लॉसी नहीं होती. उनके भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं फॉर श्योर, बट जब वो लोग सक्सेसफुल नहीं होते हैं ना, जब वो लोग इन जर्नी में होते हैं, तो वो अपने अप्स एंड डाउन्स सबके साथ शेयर नहीं करते, तो तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलेगा. एंड वन डे दैट पर्सन विल बी सक्सेसफुल एंड दैट पर्सन विल बी सिटिंग ओवर हियर, देन दैट पर्सन विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल द स्ट्रगल्स एंड ऑल द डाउनफॉल्स, सो दैट यू कैन अप्रिशिएट. अच्छा, सो इतने सारे डाउनफॉल के बाद भी सक्सेस मिली है. Now right now nobody will speak if the success is not there, because they'll feel like people will judge me, right? अगर मैं अपनी स्ट्रगल के बारे में अभी बात करूंगी तो हाँ बोला ही था, फिर क्यों ही कर रहे हो, right? So that thing, that judgmental mentality से भागने के लिए people जब struggling phase में होते हैं ना, तब अपने downs की बात नहीं करेंगे. So keep this in your mind. सबकी लाइफ में ups and downs 101% है. It's only what you see from outside, it's not only their life, right? इसके आगे भी बहुत कुछ है. Truth is, every life that you see has its pros and cons. So my life has its own pros and cons. My friend's life has its own pros and cons. My son's life has its own pros and cons. So do not compare anyone's life with your life, because the grass is not greener on the other side. The grass is greener where you water and consistently. So before you wish for someone else's life, take a pause and look that maybe someone is wishing for your life, right? So satisfaction. It's not giving up your dreams I'm talking about, but it's not greener on the other side always. Work on yourself, your dreams and your journey. On that note, I'll end this episode. And if you like the content, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.